right, we just got the most darling thing in the mail, so I wanted to immediately open it up and show you. So this is little itty bitty succulents that you can put on your desk, you can put on your nightstand, your vanity. So let's go ahead and get them all out. There are 6 of them, and they come in these really cute white ceramic looking potting plant with all of the little fake rocks. So these are artificial, they are not real, but they have a very realistic look to them. Succulents have that, I would call it, furry texture to it, so there is a little bit of tackiness to the plant itself, and so being artificial, this has that same type of texture. But you can see that we're all different types of designs and styles, and it's just really cute. My entire bedroom is actually like this pink, dusty pink and terracotta type feel to it. So these are gonna actually look really cute on my windowsill, but you can put these on your desk at work. I have a home office desk. I have lots of plants that are right above where my computer sits. So I could see this accompanying those. Or again, I have a pink theme going on in my bedroom. I could see these sitting on my windowsill as well. So I don't have to keep them alive, which is the best part. So it's low maintenance, but they look real and they're super cute. So if you are looking for something to add a little bit of pizzazz, but is extremely low maintenance, I would highly recommend checking out these really cute succulent plants.